told you how many times to stay out of the chicken food. See? Now look what you've done. Hold your panties. You goats. All right, I'm going to help. I'm going to help. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. Mr. Goatsby. Hello. This is a chicken feeder. It is not a goat feeder. Okay? Hold on. Hold on. Let's see if we can get you out of this thing. Come here. Goatsby. Come here, Mr. Goatsby. Come here. All right. Hold on. You wait. Hold on. Goodness sake. Hold on, Goatsby. Come here, Mr. Goatsby. All right. Let's get this off of you. Hold on. Hold on. Goatsby. Hold on. Hold on. You're free! You're free! Is that better, Mr. Goatsby? Did you learn your lesson? Yeah. Alrighty then. Okay. We're not going to do that again, right? I love you. Come. Who's in there? Who's in there? What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Igor? Igor? Come on, Igor. Igor, honey. Igor, how did you get in there, baby? Igor. What happened, honey? Oh, poor baby. Oh, you be mad at that bag. Be mad at that dang old bag.
Gomez, what did you do? Gomez, did you eat the chicken food? Gomez. Did he eat your food? You're not going to talk to me now? Better? Well, at least we know who ate the chicken food, huh? Are you embarrassed? You're still going back for more? Yeah.